Hi, I'm Michael from the AWS software team. In this video, we're going to cover our new software tool, Expro.
Expro provides a direct connection between vQuote and your saw and CNC machines to streamline operations. Expro is your new skilled operator. Pre-programmed cutting and machining in vQuote, dynamically created in each quote and ready to process at the press of a button. It brings precision, efficiency, and the reliability of a skilled operator, ensuring your fabrication processes run smoothly and effectively. Expro automates the programming of machining and cutting lists by exporting them from vQuote to the saw and CNC directly. Operators simply import these lists and execute the programs. This automation allows operators to focus on other critical production tasks, enhancing overall productivity of the factory. With Expro, experience reduced material waste, faster onboarding of new products, and increased market competitiveness. Add an edge to your production workflow with Expro.
That's just a short overview of Expro. It's now available to all AWS fabricators. Get in touch with your local representatives to find out more.